Craving a crispy, spicy, and flavorful snack? Try these Masoor Dal Samosas. A delicious twist on the classic samosa. Made with spiced brown lentils, aromatic masalas, and a golden crispy crust, these samosas are perfect for tea time, iftar, or any festive occasion. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Masoor Dal Samosa. Take half cup brown lentils. Please do not soak it overnight. Otherwise, dal will get overcooked. Add require water. Combine well. Add a little oil. Pressure cook it. Take 1 to 2 whistles and remove the pressure. Heat up the pan and add some oil. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Add 1 large chopped onion. Sauté for a minute. Add 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Cook until the rawness goes away. Add 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Half sliced capsicum chopped. 1 chopped tomato, it's totally optional. Sauté 2 to 3 minutes. Add boiled brown lentils. At this point add all the masalas. Add half teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon fennel powder. Handful of fresh coriander leaves. Squeeze 1/4 lemon. Combine well. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. Remove in a bowl. Let it cool down. Now let's make flour slurry. Take some plain flour. Add some water. Mix well. Add water gradually. Add water and adjust the consistency. We will seal the samosas with this slurry. Keep aside. It's time to fill the samosas. Take samosa leaves. Separate the samosa sheets. Fold it as shown. Add some stuffing in it. Fold it as shown. Seal the cone as shown. Apply slurry to seal it. Now again take samosa leaf. Fold it as shown to make cone shape. Put sufficient filling. Fold it as shown. Use slurry to seal it. Keep aside. Fold. Stuffing. Wrap and seal. Repeat the same procedure for all. Heat up the oil for deep frying. Drop the samosas. Fry until crispy golden brown. Flip occasionally. Fry until crispy golden brown. Remove it. Dish out. Craving a crispy, spicy, and flavorful snack? Try these Masoor Dal Samosas. Made with spiced brown lentils, aromatic masalas, and a golden crispy crust. These samosas are perfect for tea time, iftar, or any festive occasion. You try this crispy yet delicious dal samosas and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.